Most service business think that if they provide a good service, customers will naturally come and their business will grow. But that is not true. Take the example of an orange. If you are buying an orange, chances are you want to pick an orange that looks more orange because you assume that it's healthier and it tastes sweeter. But do you know the orange color exterior is not natural? Orange farmers put it in a gas chamber and expose it to the gas with ethane compound that makes the exterior looks orange. So when you bring this home, you peel open the orange, you eat it, it may not taste sweet because the orange color exterior has little to do with the taste of the orange. Likewise, if you run a business, especially a service-based business, people do not know the quality of your service. What's more, they cannot look, touch, see and feel your service because it is not a product, it's intangible. So people depend on the outside, their perception to understand the quality of your service. Therefore, it is like examining an orange. People have to look at the outside to see whether it is sweet or not. Let me share with you another open secret. For people who pay a lot of money to high-end restaurants to eat the food, can they really discern the quality of the food? How about people who engage high-end photography? Can they appreciate the quality of the photo? Yes, maybe some people are sophisticated, like 1% of the experts, but most people do not. So their perception of the quality is a result of several external factors, like what they read online, what other people say, and other external factors. So let's say if you buy a bottle of wine, you have 2 bottles of wine. One bottle of wine only has a label that says red wine. The second bottle of wine has a label with a story of the wine, the year it was produced, the fermentation practice, the barrel management philosophy. I'm sure you will be impressed by the second bottle of wine with a label of the long story. And the most expensive wine that costs 10 times more than the cheap wine or 100 times more than the cheap wine happen to have a label that is very descriptive, that comes with a long story behind. So if you are trying to sell your service on Facebook and Google and it's not working because people cannot see and feel your service, it's because you don't have a strong perception like the wine company does. So you can use the power of words to create a compelling and strong perception, like the way we have helped so many companies do. So if you want to work with an agency that can create this strong perception for you through the power of words, we actually work with our clients, we understand their business, and then come up with something that's tailored to their business. But there's a prerequisite here, is that your orange must be sweet, which means that you provide quality service. Otherwise, you really shouldn't be in business. So if you provide quality service, you want to know how to turn the intangible, like the taste or your service, into something that is tangible, or the invisible into something visible. You can click below on the button to find out more.